Right, a very quick Dadskillz tutorial on how to change a wheel if you've never done it before. So this car's got these little plastic caps over the nuts, so take those off. You'll find all this gear in the back of the car probably. And then the wrench that came with the car, just loosen off all the nuts. I've taken one out there, but that's not a problem. Then we've got the scissor jack that came with the car, and there's a jacking point under there. And you will find that if you can't find it by looking, have a look in the manual or online. So I'll put it all the way up. Now it's up in the air, you can take the rest of your nuts out. Pull your wheel off, and then obviously we've changed it, or you've got a flat or whatever. We can put the new one back on, line your holes up, put your nuts on relatively tight. And the reason I'm doing this is I've actually made a follow-up video. I was changing the brake pads on this car, so that's why I made this video first. If you want to see that one, I will link that above. And I've actually had it on an axle stand. That's why you can see me putting the jack back in, taking the stand out and then lowering it back down again. But normally, if you're stuck by the side of the road, you would just screw the jack up, take your wheel off, change your wheel, and then put your jack back down. As you can see, I've parked it on a nice level surface, so there's no problem with the jack or anything. There we go, back down again, and now it's down. I can just give all the nuts one last tighten, put all the plastic covers back on. And we're all done. Thanks for watching.